From the makers of Candesar, it's a 40-watt equivalent bulb, 350 lumens, rechargeable for those outages, emergency situations, and more. You have an instruction guide and remote control. So all you need to do is just plug it in, and when your power goes out, the light will always be lit. What we're going to do is show you what this product's about. It's a 2000 milliamp built-in battery, 4 hours to fully charge with 20 hours of run time. We have a USB-C cable that plugs into the actual light. Plug into your own optional brick and lights up in red and charging. Going over to the remote control, please remove the film for the battery protection. You have an off and an on. The light will come on while charging. You have 3 Kelvin levels, red, a green, and a blue. Hitting the red is a soft Kelvin, medium Kelvin, high Kelvin. You have a positive and a negative. It'll increase and decrease the light in levels. If you hold on to the light switch of the positive, you have to hit it each individual time for the brightness level. You have the options of 50% and 100%. You have the option to also turn it off after 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 2 hours. It gives a blink and you're set with the timer. Without the remote control, there is a switch on the light that you could change the kelvins by pressing, and long pressing will shut off and back to the charge. Pressing on again, short press, would turn the light on. We're going to replace a 60-watt light bulb equivalent with the 40-watt equivalent bulb, 350 lumens, into a ceiling fan. The light will not come on, as it is an emergency bulb for those days you need to have emergency. It does not charge via 110. So when the light is off and there is an emergency, you need to find the remote control and turn the light on. It can be turned on from a distance. Place the remote control where you know it's going to be, and it turns on. Very simple indeed. You could change the kelvins from warm to medium Kelvin to cool Kelvin. It will last up to 20 hours of runtime on a full charge of a 2000 milliamp battery, 4 hours to charge. We're in a light fixture that if you put the bulb in a little tight, you're able to remove the bulb and the housing is inside the fixture. In order to get it out entirely, lock it back into place and hold it down and continue to loosen up the whole unit till everything comes out. There are no lights on in the house. This illuminates just bright enough to light everything up, as you can see. It's for those emergency times that you need to have a light and see, and you can walk around. You also can change the percentage, 50% and 100%, to conserve more power. I hope this is a light that you are looking for in those needs. You have a manual on and off switch. You have a remote control. It can be put into any E26 socket and taken out and walk around with. Easy to turn off. Rechargeable with a power bank. Take anywhere where you need to have an emergency light. I hope you enjoy this product. If this is something that you are looking for, check online for further details about the product and what they have to offer. From the company Candesar is your rechargeable LED light. Thank you for viewing.